it doesn't have to rhyme, and you can like use it to express your feelings and emotions, and it's just really fun to write. We had a competition. The theme was beautiful is, or like beautiful things are. Mrs. Jameson, she got the people that were good at writing poems to come to the library here, and I liked it a lot. I learnt some stuff about poetry. I figured some stuff out that I didn't really know. The sun spills gold like laughter on the morning leaves. Whispers of wind dance through the quiet trees. A river hums secrets under the blue sky's gaze, each ripple a story, each spark a phrase. The quiet courage of shadows meeting dawn, the way a whispered hope can carry on. Beauty is breath, the pulse beneath the skin, a world unfolding, endless and within. In every crack, in every light that sings, we live, we love, we find beautiful things. It feels really good that like I am like good enough to do this, and like I know that I'm good at it, and that I have this special privilege of doing it.